Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, Miss Ebony V. Welcome back to my channel. Alright y'all, so I'm bringing another synthetic wig review for you today, and this unit is from Outre collection. And this is the Outre Brazilian Boutique in the style Body. Like her name is Body. And I have her in the color DR30. This is what the stock card looks like. And look, I realize I have so many wigs that are like budget friendly. So I am starting Budget Friendly Friday. Happy Friday, y'all. It is Budget Friendly Friday because you will not believe the cost of this wig or what I paid for this wig. Alright y'all, so before we get into this video, if you are not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so that you are notified when I upload a video. Let's get into it, y'all.
Singing my own songs and making ends meet. But good enough ain't good nor enough when going for gold and things can get rough. What lies beyond the horizon? Let's go find out. Feeling
look, which I absolutely love. Y'all know I am such a fan of the wavy hair. Alright, so let's talk about Miss Body. So, I'm loving the color. I'm definitely loving the waves. I'm also loving the layers. You see how it's like short up here in the front, and then it gradually gets longer. Very nice. I even like the texture, like light Yaki, maybe a little light Silky still left in there, but not that, you know, super heavy duty Silky. It's textured for sure. So I tried to show you the difference of how it would look when it was brushed out versus when it wasn't, so that you can make your own call if you decide to get this wig. It would have been actually very pretty if I didn't brush it out, but I like it brushed out as well. I just knocked out both my goddamn earrings. I'm just gonna leave them out like they both just fell. Anyway, all right, so let me give you a 360 real quick. All right, and there she is. So you saw me trying to add a little baby hair at first, but as I was adding them and looking at it, I was like, no, not feeling it. So I got rid of them. Now this parting space, this is a con, was super tizoid. I actually feel like I need to do something right here. So I cut a little tiny V up here. and tried to, well, I actually didn't cut it. Let me be honest. As I was pulling some of the hair strings out, I actually ripped the lace a little teeny bit up here in the front. So I was like, well, let me go ahead and cut a little V, finish the rip so that it works for me. You know what I mean? Sometimes you just gotta make it work. I did add some foundation powder as usual. And I just tucked them little baby hairs under. I used my, of course, hot comb to flatten this out because this was a little lump ball up here for a second. So yeah, let me know. I feel like this could have been an easy breezy throw and go if I didn't decide to try or attempt to add baby hairs. Like, I didn't really do anything. I just threw it on, foundation powder, flatten, done and done. So y'all know I usually shop at wigtypes.com for my wigs, but I actually saw the Wig City having a good sale, so I decided to pick her up from there. And she only costs, wait for it, $11.96. Now, I am going to put her today's cost across the screen because this was, of course, a good sale that I just couldn't pass up. I told y'all, I am a sale shopper. Like, I can't even help it. If there's a good sale, I'm shopping. It's just going to happen. I can't even help myself. Alright, so you guys let me know what you think about this unit down in the comments below, and we'll chat there. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and get out your hair and end this video. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to thumbs up this video, hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye y'all.